All right. So we understand what a function is and how it is called. But when do we actually write a function? Or even why do we need a function in the first place? So whenever you see a block of code that is getting duplicated, you should convert that into a function. Let's understand more by an example. All right, we are back again to our JavaScript playground. To understand when do we exactly create a function or why there is a need for a function, let's understand more by our previous example. In the last example, we were seeing that La Cafe's menu offers four food items. And let's say a customer is looking for tacos. So to see if tacos is available, we would loop through the menu item one by one and see if any of the item matches with tacos. We print out tacos is available. Now, what if the customer wants to also see if pizza is available and searches pizza on their food menu? Maybe one of the way to do is if any of the food item matches with pizza, print pizza is available. So now the customer knows that tacos is available as well as pizza is available. But what we just saw is that the code got duplicated. Is there a better way to reuse the code and make it even more compact? And that's where functions come into picture. Using function, we can make the code little bit more smarter and compact. So let's do that. Now we know that a function has a function name. It takes an input, it takes one or more input parameters and then processes it and then returns back something. Now we can use the same construct for our example. Now let's say we have our function which is function is the food item available, and we are it accepts a search item. In this case it could be either a tacos or pizza, and then it looks it has also the menu within it, and it checks each item of the menu to see if any of the item matches with the search item. In that case, print search item is available. Now what we just saw, let me just comment the previous few examples. Now what we just saw is that we have created a function which has a menu item already available. Maybe we can keep it outside as well, but for now we keep it within the function. And then this function takes a search item and checks whether the search item is matches with one of the items available in the menu, and if it is available, then it prints it out. So let's run it. Now what we just saw is that nothing got printed, even though uh, our function is there. The reason nothing got printed is because we didn't call our function. And just like the microwave example that we just talked about, we need to press the start button. And in our case, we need to call the function. And so we call our function using the function name and by passing parameters, input parameters. So in our case, let's say we are looking for tacos. And so as soon as we run, we find that tacos are actually available in the menu. Similarly, if we want to now check if pizza is available, we call the function with the input parameter as pizza to see and to find that they are actually available. And so here you can see that because with the function and with the input parameter, we have made everything to be very dynamic and to basically uh, make it more compact and reusable. So that's why functions are such a valuable uh, construct in the programming language.